Welcome! Today we will guide you on how to send a sticker on Telegram using your PC. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. Firstly, open Telegram on your PC. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your chats and contacts. Next, open the chat where you wish to send the sticker. This could be a personal chat or a group conversation depending on who you want to share the sticker with. Now, look for the Emojis icon within the chat interface. It is usually represented by a smiley face or a similar symbol. Click on the Emojis icon to reveal a variety of emoji options. Within the emoji options, locate the sticker icon. Click on the sticker icon to access the sticker library, where you will find a collection of fun and expressive stickers. Browse through the available stickers and choose the one you want to send. Once you've selected the desired sticker, click on it to add it to your chat message. To send the sticker, simply click on it again. This action will send the sticker in the chat, allowing you to share a creative and visually appealing element with your conversation partner. By following these simple steps, you can easily send stickers on Telegram using your PC. Stickers are a fun way to convey emotions, reactions, or simply add a touch of personality to your chats. Thank you for watching. We hope this tutorial has been helpful in showing you how to send stickers on Telegram on your PC. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to enhance your Telegram experience.